cinema. No customer over here now. See, actually, up to today, how you work at your seats, that is different. Today onwards, tomorrow again you are going back to your seats. Your approach, your vision must be different. See, object of this program is because it is a very critical area, very complex area. Now RBI is showing more keen interest and any violations to this KYC compliance guidelines, KYC guidelines, they are imposing penalty as well as strict action also. So keeping this mind, my dear colleagues, what you have to do, you have keenly observe the compliance. Here in this KYC norms or regulations, what it may be, nothing is there. Simply 4 items. Example, first one, you are a banker, you are sitting in bank. One person came to your bank and wants to have account. First, under KYC policy, what you have to do, you have to whether you accept him or not as a customer.